Hi, I'm Naomi and welcome to our Hordern Street project. The kitchen is definitely the heart of the home and it was the starting point for designing the layout of our Hordern Street renovation.
I'm Rashmi.
And I'm Sumit.
The butler's pantry was another feature that I always wanted in my house, and also an island bench. So I'm quite excited about the kitchen.
So just for context, the kitchen actually probably finished somewhere around here and continued into that butler's pantry area. So relocating the bench area to where I'm sitting now actually helps the clients overlook the living area and kind of pulls you out of that little nook area that was there previously because no one wants to be cooking in the corner.
The style that we wanted for the house quite fit in with the works that MJ Harris had on Instagram.
The thought process was well aligned. Bringing that outside the box thinking and to have that can-do attitude was what set MJ apart.
So I'm here with my boy Matty, and although No made it pretty, Matty made it happen. And this is testament to all him and his team's great work.
It's the details that make this kitchen so special. Behind me, you can see the cylindrical range hoods that reference the curve on the island bench, as well as tie in really well with the shape of the luxury switches and GPOs which are mounted on the stone.
I think the stone bench top is a feature. We're so glad that the Alba was suggested to us. It just fits the space really well.
The stone that we've opted for in this space is Alba White Bilico stone. This is a reconstituted stone which we chose so that we could actually curve. It was really vital for the design, and it also portrays a lot of movement, which is really soft and ties in really well with the rest of the home.
Demo always throws us a few curveballs. When we opened up the kitchen walls at the back, there was a lovely steel beam that we did not want to be seeing. But as we do, we adapt and we're able to maneuver some things around.
And that was just another thing for me as well, the learning curve with how to make it work, you know? So there's a lot of things to think outside the box.
So what's just behind you, the fireplace, we think it has transformed very beautifully from what it was. And we're so glad we went with the little marble tiles. It just elevates the look of the whole place.
I think quality has been fantastic. MJ ticked all of the boxes. It has been a fabulous experience.
One of my favourite features in this home are the steel doors by Steel Window Designs. The white, thin line profile, brass fittings make a stunning and elegant look. What I love about this home is all the light coming in. From skylights to open windows, pushing through the shears illuminates this place and it looks stunning.